Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, we are counting down to the BB Naija live show, which is set to begin on Sunday, the 19th of July 2020. And news reaching us says MultiChoice reveals grand prize for BB Naija Season 5 winner. MultiChoice Nigeria has revealed the grand prize for the winner of the Big Brother Naija Season 5. According to MultiChoice, BB Naija Season 5 winner will walk away with a whopping 85 million naira grand prize. The grand prize, which includes a 30 million naira cash prize, makes this season winning the biggest since it debuted back in 2006, and highest prize for reality TV show on the continent. Chief Executive Officer, MultiChoice Nigeria, John Ugbe, said the fifth season of BB Naija marks a major milestone in the reality TV series. We are making this season significant by not only increasing the winning, but also implementing other creative and innovative ways to ensure the show lives up to the premium entertainment, especially during the current pandemic. The breakdown of grand prize for BB Naija Season 5 includes a 30 million naira cash prize, a 2-bedroom apartment courtesy Revolution Plus, a top-of-the-range SUV from Nigerian automaker Innoson Motors, a trip to Dublin courtesy Guinness, home appliances courtesy Scanfrost, a trip to Dubai packed by Travel Better, a year's supply of Indomie noodles, Munchies and Colgate toothpaste, a year's supply of Pepsi, a branded chiller and a trip to watch the UEFA Champions League finale, and a brand new Oppo mobile smartphone. Meanwhile, MultiChoice will in the coming days reveal other surprises for viewers and fans of the show. The BB Naija Season 5 will broadcast live and 24/7 on DSTV channel 198 and GoTV Max and Jolly packages on channel 29 on GoTV. DSTV viewers can also follow the drama this season with the DSTV Now app on a smartphone, tablet or laptop. I know guys, we can't wait for the show to begin. It's just a couple of days ahead. Stay tuned to Naija News as we'll be bringing you more gist, to bringing you the live show, bring you all the entertainment gist coming out from the house. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.